Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the science class. Today we continue our discussion on chapter 6 tissues. In the last class, you learnt about plant tissues, meristematic tissue, the apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. In today's class, you will learn about the permanent tissues, the simple permanent tissue. So, what happens to the cells formed by meristematic tissue? They take up a specific role and they lose the ability to divide. As a result, they form a permanent tissue. So the meristematic tissue take up the specific role and they lose the ability to divide. As a result, they form a permanent tissue. This process of taking up a permanent shape, size, and function is called differentiation. Cells of meristematic tissue differentiate to form different types of permanent tissues. Let's go for an activity. Take a plant stem and cut it into very thin slices or sections. Now stain the slices with the safranin. Place one neatly cut section on a slide and put a drop of glycerin. Cover with a cover slip and observe under the microscope. Observe the various types of cells and their arrangements. You can see the epidermis, the collenchyma cells, parenchyma cells, phloem, xylem. So simple permanent tissue. A few layers of cells form the basic packing tissue, and this tissue is known as parenchyma. You can see the parenchyma cells here. So it consists of relatively unspecialized cells with thin cell walls. You can see structure here. They are living cells. They are usually loosely packed so that large spaces between cells are formed in this tissue. So there is large intercellular spaces present. And this tissue, the function of this tissue is to provide support to the plants and also it stores food. You can see longitudinal section of parenchyma cells and transverse section of parenchyma cells here. So in some situation, the parenchyma contains chlorophyll and performs photosynthesis, and so it is called chlorenchyma. So the parenchyma cells with chlorophyll or the parenchyma cells contains chlorophyll are known as chlorenchyma cells. You can see a structure here. Another type of parenchyma cells are known as aerenchyma. So in aquatic plants, large air cavities are present in parenchyma to give buoyancy to the plants to help them float. Such a parenchyma type is called aerenchyma. So the parenchyma, this type of parenchyma or the aerenchyma of stems and roots also stores nutrients and water. So there are three types: parenchyma, then chlorenchyma, then aerenchyma. Another type of simple permanent tissue is collenchyma. The flexibility in plants is due to another permanent tissue known as collenchyma. The collenchyma allows easy bending in various parts of a plant, especially leaves and stems, without breaking. And collenchyma also provides mechanical support to the plants. We can find this type of tissue in leaf stalks below the epidermis. You can see the structure here, the longitudinal section of collenchyma and the transverse section of collenchyma. The cells of this tissue are living, elongated, and irregularly thickened at the corners. You can see irregularly thickened at the corners. There is very little intercellular space. The next one is sclerenchyma cells. Another type of permanent tissue is known as sclerenchyma. It is a tissue which makes the plant hard and stiff. You have seen the husk of a coconut. It is made up of sclerenchymatous tissue. The cells of this tissue are dead. They are long and narrow as the walls are thickened due to the presence of lignin. Lignin is a chemical substance which acts as a cement and hardens them. Often, the walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. You can see this tissue is present in stems around vascular bundles, the veins or leaves, and in the hard covering of seeds and nuts. It provides strength to the plant parts. So this is a longitudinal section of sclerenchyma and the transverse section of sclerenchyma. Dear students, this is all for today's class. Hope you all have understood it. In next class, you will learn about complex permanent tissue. Till then, bye.